Bicara dengan Pak Idiban dan bersama-sama dengan kami di Unipa sudah ada Pak Bambang dan Pak Dede Mastika dari PMTK Dignas, dan di dalam ruangan ini seperti kalau terlihat ya masih dihadiri oleh beberapa orang. Ada kegiatan lain yang sementara juga berlangsung. Mudah-mudahan setelah kegiatan itu semua peserta yang diundang akan hadir. Sayang, peserta dari Sorong dan Raja Ampat tidak dapat hadir pada saat ini karena kendala transportasi. Saya pikir itu informasi dari Unipa. Kembali ke Pak Widianto.
Terima kasih Pak Faidiban. Jadi seperti sudah disampaikan juga kemarin ya, memang kami maklum mengenai waktu untuk transport ya, jadi waktu dalam perjalanan untuk mencapai lokasi yang ada. Jadi kami sudah maklum mengenai persoalan yang ada di sana. Kami akan coba lakukan hal yang lebih baik. Baiklah, Uncen saya yakin bisa mendengarkan kami atau juga paling tidak bisa melihat gambar dari Universitas Indonesia. Tapi mungkin nanti akan kita atur kemudian mekanisme bagaimana komunikasi dengan tempat mereka. Baik Bapak Ibu sekalian, mungkin kalau Pak Adi mungkin bisa minta tolong di switch gambarnya agar mereka bisa melihat peserta yang ada di UI. Saya akan mereview sebentar acara hari ini. Jadi sesuai dengan rencana, jadi jam 9 tadi kita sudah mulai koneksi dengan seluruh site yang ada. Jadi kalau di hitungan saya ada 15 site yang terkoneksi hari ini, ditambah satu nanti dengan site yang ada di Washington DC dari Bank Dunia. Jadi jam 9.30 nanti kita akan mulai bervideo conference dengan beberapa staf dari Bank Dunia di Washington DC sana. Pada saat ini mereka malam hari tentunya, kalau kita siang hari karena perbedaan waktunya kalau nggak salah 11 atau 12 jam. Selama setengah jam dan nanti jam 10 launching dari program bermutu itu akan dilakukan sendiri oleh Bapak Menteri Pendidikan Nasional, Bapak Bambang Sudibyo, yang mudah-mudahan bisa datang sesuai dengan jam yang sudah kita rencanakan karena beliau dalam perjalanan sekarang ini. Baik, program bermutu ini nanti akan diberikan gambaran. Sebagai Bapak Ibu ketahui sekalian, program bermutu ini merupakan inisiatif dari Departemen Pendidikan Nasional kita melalui Direktorat Jenderal terkaitnya, dan kemudian mendapatkan dukungan dari Bank Dunia dan juga dari Kedutaan Besar Belanda, atau dalam hal ini dari pemerintah Belanda, yang ikut mendukung untuk kita meningkatkan masalah kualitas dari guru maupun sistem pembinaan gurunya. Jadi teaching quality system itu sebetulnya menjadi arahan dari program ini. Jadi jika itu berjalan dengan lancar, 10.40 kita akan selesai, lalu diikuti dengan diskusi panel dengan beberapa panelis, mulai dari Bapak Pasli Jalal yang kami masih tunggu kehadirannya, kemudian Bapak Baidowi yang sekarang sudah ada di tempat, Ibu Nina Sarjunani dari Bappenas, Bapak Rahmat Waluyanto, Bapak Mansur Ramli, dan Bapak Sumarna Supranata yang juga sudah ada di tempat. Nah, setelah panel diskusi sampai kira-kira jam 11.20 kami akan break off, di mana akan terjadi diskusi lokal dengan masing-masing peserta di tempat yang ada. Jadi ada 15 parallel session yang akan berjalan, ya. Dan kemudian itu akan berlangsung sampai kira-kira 12.30, dan kemudian grup pertama yaitu Aceh, Padang, Bandung, Semarang, Jogja, Palangkaraya, Surabaya, dan Malang akan melakukan video conference memberikan feedback terhadap para panelis yang tadi saya sebutkan. Jadi 6 panelis yang ada mengenai aspek-aspek dari program bermutu. Sementara grup 2, karena itu di kawasan timur, mereka akan makan siang lebih dahulu. Lalu 13.30 grup 1 yang akan istirahat, sedangkan grup 2 akan kemudian video conference berbicara kembali dengan para panelis yang ada di UI. Harapannya 14.30 kita kemudian bisa join bersama-sama grup 1 dan grup 2 untuk mengklarifikasi kembali beberapa hal terkait dengan program bermutu, dan insya Allah jam 15 acara ini bisa kita selesaikan. Dalam perjalanannya nanti pada sesi yang berkomunikasi dengan Washington DC, Bank Dunia, di sana kita akan memakai bahasa Inggris, kemudian juga akan dilanjutkan dengan pembukaan oleh Bapak Menteri yang akan melibatkan juga dengan pembicara dari Bank Dunia, sehingga bahasa Inggris akan tetap dipakai, tapi pada sesi diskusi panel kita akan kembali menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Kira-kira itu penjelasan yang bisa saya berikan Bapak Ibu sekalian. Mungkin saya akan break off sebentar untuk mencek komunikasi dengan Bank Dunia, tapi saya ingatkan kembali, jika pada penjelasan nanti baik pidato atau sambutan yang disampaikan oleh key person yang ada termasuk Bapak Menteri dan kemudian juga diskusi panel yang ada, pertanyaan-pertanyaan bisa disampaikan kembali melalui SMS atau email. Kami sudah siap sehingga mungkin bisa mulai dibicarakan dari sekarang, sehingga pada waktunya nanti kami sudah bisa mendapatkan daftar pertanyaan dari masing-masing site, sehingga kami bisa gilir atau kami bisa pilihkan yang merupakan representasi dari hal-hal yang perlu diklarifikasi dengan para peserta di masing-masing site. Kira-kira itu beberapa hal yang diingatkan. Jadi mungkin di tayangan Bapak Ibu bisa lihat nomor SMS yang kami pakai dan juga alamat email yang ada. Kira-kira itu, standby sebentar Bapak Ibu sekalian, jadi saya cek koneksi ke Bank Dunia. So let me check with Han in the World Bank, Washington, D.C. Are you there, Han? Can you listen to my voice, or can you see our picture at the University of Indonesia?
Yeah, we see your picture clearly, and we hear you clearly. This is May here. Hello.
Yes. Good evening, May. Nice to see you again on the screen there. I hope you're still awake there. What time is it right now in Washington, D.C.?
It's 9:25.
That's exactly
late, but that's fine. We are so excited about the whole thing. We are fully awake.
I guess you don't have to move your watch at all, because it is 9:25 in the morning here in Jakarta, except the date probably is quite different there. Okay.
Right.
Is everybody there on your side? Because I don't see Chris Thomas yet.
He's not arrived yet, just yet.
Yeah. Hi. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hans Veters of the DDLM program here in the bank. Chris Thomas is about to arrive.
Yeah.
So he'll be there in a few minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
On your side, is everybody there? Is everybody connected on your side? Is everybody there on your side?
Okay, thank you, May and Han. Let me update you on the connection that we have right now in Indonesia. We are all connected, so I mentioned all the name here, probably on the screen. If Matthew can do that, the slide will show you all the sites that we are connected this morning. We have Unsiah in Aceh, University Andalas in Padang, and then ITB in Bandung, Universitas Diponegoro in Semarang, Universitas Gadjah Mada in Yogyakarta, Palangkaraya in Kalimantan. We also have Institut Teknologi 10 November in Surabaya. We also have Universitas Brawijaya in Malang. And then on the eastern part, we have Universitas Negeri Gorontalo in Gorontalo, Sulawesi, Universitas Tadulako in Palu, Sulawesi, Universitas Hasanuddin in Makassar, in Sulawesi as well. We also have Universitas Mataram in Lombok there. And we also have Universitas Papua in Manokwari, and we also have connection with Universitas Cendrawasih in Jayapura. Although we do have technical problem with Cendrawasih, they could see our picture and also hear our voice, but we could barely hear their voice. Sometimes there's a broken voice that we have over the system, but that should be okay. We'll manage with that kind of connection. We also try to have an alternate connection through the audio connection only. At least they could follow the program that we have. And all the site has been packed by the participants that has been invited for this program. So before I start to explain the program, probably we'll wait for a few minutes for Chris to arrive at your site there. Back to you, May or Han.
Okay, I thank you very much for that introduction. I think indeed it is best to wait for Chris Thomas for a few minutes. He might have had problems with traffic or so. Let us check out where he is and see if we can give him a call, and we'll get back to you in a moment. Is that okay with you?
That will be fine. Or I could entertain May if you want to say hi to our friend at Universitas Papua there. Please feel free to do so. Back to you, May. You can address them. Yeah, we couldn't hear your voice, May.
Okay, yes. Okay. Yeah, welcome to the University of Papua. We're so pleased that you can join us. It's sort of a far off and remote site, but it's how wonderful it is. It's quite amazing that I'm here sitting in Washington, D.C., and I can communicate with Papua. So I'm really pleased with this progress, and this is really says something about the progress that we have at GDON. And also it's appropriate to launch the Bermutu through GDON, given we have such a wide reach now to all over the country, Indonesia, and the world, basically. Yeah, I'm sitting in Washington and really getting quite excited about all this. Okay, Chris will be joining us in a minute. He's already walked in.
Okay, thank you, May. So let me get back to Bapak Faidiban. That's his name at Universitas Papua there in Unipa. Bapak Faidiban, if you may, your time, please.
Thank you, Pak Widianto. And it's nice to see and hear people from Washington, and we are here in Papua, and we are happy to follow this program, and we are ready for almost everything that launched for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bapak Faidiban. So I guess May could see the room there. In Unipa is a bit unique there because the travel time to the location is a bit hectic. It takes a long time and take a different mode of transportation by boat and also by air to get to the location. But we understand that. So back to you, May. Is Chris ready now?
Okay. Yeah, we now have Chris Thomas with us. Chris is the Education Sector Manager for the East Asia region. And maybe we can now, we've all introduced ourselves now. We introduced ourselves before you were here, Chris. Maybe we can now go for a part of the program where we would hear from a few sites in Indonesia about Bermutu and their expectations.
Could you just introduce the sites again for Chris, and show you that map of the GDON?
Okay, thank you, May. We'll do that. So if someone could put the map on the slide there. All right, so that's the red flag. It has no association with any political party there, just the red flag there, all right? Just to indicate there all the site. It happened to be located at the university. This program has been developed or has been set up based on the collaboration from the GDLN, the Global Development Learning Network itself, and also the network from the Indonesian Higher Education Network, which is owned by the Ministry of National Education through their Directorate General of Higher Education. So all the sites happen to be at the university in Indonesia, including University of Indonesia. So I mentioned that from the western part, University of Syah Kuala, then University of Andalas in Padang, ITB, Institut Teknologi Bandung in Bandung, Universitas Diponegoro in Semarang, Universitas Gadjah Mada in Yogyakarta, Universitas Palangkaraya in Kalimantan, Institut Teknologi 10 November in Surabaya, or ITS, and then Universitas Brawijaya in Malang. Then move to Sulawesi, I have Universitas Negeri Gorontalo, that's in the top part there, Universitas Tadulako in Palu, Universitas Hasanuddin in Makassar, and then I move to the south, I have Universitas Mataram in Lombok, I have Universitas Papua in Manokwari, and the last one on the eastern part will be Universitas Cendrawasih in Jayapura. They do have slight communication problem with us. The quality of the technical link is not that good, but they could follow us in terms of the video connection and partly on the audio connection. But that's all we have. So all the site there from the west part of Indonesia till the east part of Indonesia. I myself, Widianto Nugroho, Didit Nugroho from the University of Indonesia, will be acting as the moderator for this session. We have a couple of key persons attending here at our site at the University of Indonesia. We are waiting for the ministry to arrive because we will start the connection, or we will start the program with him around 10 o'clock, including with the country director of the World Bank and also the Netherlands ambassador that has to be present here. That's all I have. And then on the Bermutu, I guess you also have some information already sent out to you, is the program that